Hello everybody and welcome to our IconScout channel. This is Nishi here and I'm so glad that you all have joined us here today. Today, I'm going to show you how to add assets from the IconScout plugin to your Google Slides to make stunning presentations. We can begin by downloading and installing the IconScout add-on from over here. Once that's done, you can see that you can access it from here. Now let us start by adding a fun illustration right here. Let us type in the keyword in the search bar. I think a 3D illustration would look nice over here. So let us navigate to the 3D tab from here to look for some 3D illustrations. I think I like this one here a lot. To view the illustration clearly, let's click on this eye icon and open it up. I think I like this illustration, but I would still like to see some more in the same style. So instead of clicking on insert and using this one, I'm going to click on the view scenes pack so we can view all the illustrations from the same pack. Maybe we can go ahead with this one over here. Once we finalize the illustration we like, let's click on the eye icon once again and hit insert. Now just reposition, resize and we're done. Now let's move on to our next slide. Over here, let's spruce this up with some more illustrations. We can follow the same steps as before, but this time let us navigate to the illustrations tab. So I think I'm going to type in something like daydream over here and navigate to illustrations. I'm just going to choose the one I like, open it up and hit insert. Let me just quickly resize this and maybe compose this a little bit. Perfect. I think this slide still looks a bit empty. Maybe we can add some motion over here. I think I'm going to look for some clouds, so I'm just going to type in clouds over here and navigate to the animations tab and then follow the same process as before. I think I'm going to add a few stars over here too and then just compose the slide. Perfect. In the next slide, let's add some icons. Let us just navigate to the icons tab. Let us put in our keyword, maybe something like happy should do. You can use the style filter over here to choose the style you like. I think I'm going to go with the line style and view only the line icons. Now let's follow the same steps once again. And maybe add a few more icons to complete the slide. Over here, as you can see, you also have an option to choose the style of the icon. I think I'm going to go with this one over here and now just hit insert. Now to finish this off, let's add a nice illustration on the side. Maybe something like art will do. Okay, perfect. I think this is looking quite nice now. Now let us move on to our last slide. Now this time, instead of searching for a brand new illustration by typing in the search bar, I'm just going to click over here and say View Designer's Profile to view all the assets created by this particular designer. We can even follow this designer by clicking on the follow button on top. But as you can see, I already follow them. This will allow us to directly jump into the profile of the designer we like and view all of their creations. Now let us quickly pick something from here and repeat the same steps once again. And that's it. I think our Google Slides presentation is looking quite nice now. And so that's it for this video. I really hope that this was helpful. This is Nishi signing off. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead.